Hi guys, so in this vlog, I'm going to be cooking dal bati. So here it's me just searching up the recipe and writing it down on a notebook. So dal bati is a famous Rajasthani dish, and I have brought down all these ingredients that I will be needing. So first off, I started with cleaning the kitchen. Whatever I do in the kitchen, firstly I just clean the kitchen, and then I took out all these dals that I will be needing for the dal. Like I took hari moong, peeli dal, and I don't know the names, but I took some of them. And then here's me making the bati's atta. I just put some atta and some suji, baking soda, and you want, it's not a recipe video, I'm just telling you like to talk or something, making a conversation here. So here's me kneading the atta, and I put it in this bowl. I did all this with the help of chat gpt. I was sending him pictures like, it is correct now, is it correct now, and he was helping me throughout the procedure. So yeah, I took out this cooker and just I shifted the dal into this one, because the dal is like in a large quantity and my cooker was small. So I just shifted the dal into this, and I'm gonna put some namak and haldi and ghee and gonna boil it, after which I will do tadka. दाल को तड़का लगाएंगे बाद में. So yeah, and now I came to this side of my kitchen. Here what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be rolling the atta into bati balls. So how I'm gonna do it, that I first take some atta into my hand, roll it like in a lemon size shape, and then I'm just gonna take a toothpick and make a cross line on it, like in that. Yeah, so I almost made like 25 batis. I don't remember. It was a fun procedure, to be honest. I enjoyed a lot. I love the cooking, in which I like, cooking is a very challenging procedure for me. So I really loves it. I make new stuff every day, and it's so entertaining. So here's my bati, and then I'm gonna be baking them. So here I am taking out the oven ka stuff and everything, and after that I'll be putting the batis in it. So firstly I will be preheating it on 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. After that I will put the bati in. So yeah, it's a little funny transition video, pretty chaotic. Chopped onions, and yeah, here I'm putting the, ignore the mess around because I don't have good equipments for this. And in the meantime, Maname woke up, and so I have to go and pick him up. He was crying, and so I just stopped with this cooking stuff. I'll be continuing it. So yeah, my batis are now done, and at this moment my camera got all blurry, so just stopped recording. Yeah, these are ready. I will be making the dal tadka now, putting some ghee, my chopped some jeera, my chopped onions, the tomato puree with coriander, chili, and adrak. So I'm all done, and here I'm serving all the stuff. My batis are here. I just put it into my serving bowl, along with my dal. Here comes our dal. So it was a very fun thing to make, and it was really very yummy. The batis were really soft and crispy. I just loved it. Everybody loved it. I just surprised my mom afterwards, showed her that these are the stuff I made today, and she was really proud. So here's her eating it and adoring them. And then I just saw this on a video, that how to serve the batis. They say that you take a ghee, melt it, and just put your batis inside it, dip it into the ghee, and just take it out, and then you crush them, put dal, and then you serve it. And it was really yummy with the ghee. I loved it. Personal favorite. Yeah, so the final result was this. Thank you all. Bye bye. See you in the next video.